Hello everybody, Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. Day 2 of my vacation. Working on some preforms some more. I'm going to try and thin that one down some more. Draw it out, narrow it up, and then I'm going to try and get started on the mild steel preforms. I got 4 of those I need to do. So I'm going to try and get started on that, and we'll see you at the end. Alrighty guys, so I got you a little bit different view here. I will bring you down closer in a little bit. We're just coming back up to heat. I'm just going to work on thinning this out some more because it's still too thick. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm going to turn my ears back on and get to it. Alrighty guys, I got a couple heats in. I'm getting down pretty close to where I want it thickness wise. Through here, I'm going to work this area here now. Back in. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that's actually black on here. You're seeing more color than I am. I'm just going to keep working back a little bit at a time until I get it long enough to where I want it. Then I got to figure out how I'm going to do the handle on this one. I have to take and get online and do a search and see what the actual blade looks like. I know what the blade looks like, but I'm trying to think of what the handle and whatnot, if there was a guard or anything. So, just going to keep working this down. I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so I got it forged down to thickness where I want it for right now. And width. Right now I'm just heating the tip back up, bringing it up so I can, because it's up to the center, so I need to drop it down to one side and then kind of roll it back up. Because it's got the, you know what I mean. So. Then when I come back, I'll come over the horn a little bit, which is why I turn the handle around, because I do want a little bit of a sweep on the end of that. May have to sit, flatten it just a little further back though. So let's see how long this is going to take to get back up to heat. I want to flatten here a little bit more. Flip it. And that's all I want right now. I know this is going to work back up more when I start working on the bevels. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. A little swoop of the tip. So I'm going to heat this up, let it cool down off to the side of the fire. I'm going to do a quick search and see what the handle is supposed to look like. Whether it's a through tang, full tang, what have you. And I'll be back. Alright everybody, so got that cooling, chilling out. I did go and look. It looks like it's going to be a 3-tang, so need to figure that out. I'm going to start some more preforms. These are the pieces of mild steel. This was a grounding plate or a tie down plate or something off of a fence. 4 pieces. Gentleman wants 4 knives. These are the ones I was talking about having a forge weld. But these are huge. That's 3 by 3/8. By 10.5. So I'm going to try to work this down, obviously this way and this way. First things first though, I need to work it down this way and get it closer to the height that I want. I do kind of want it thick because I got to cut it and forge weld in a bit. I'm not overly concerned about the holes because I'll put those in the handles. So I'm gonna try and get 2 blades out of this section right here. This section. Fire's still burning. So I'm gonna lay this one right here on top. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get a piece of rod and weld it to one end of this because I need a handle, because I don't have a pair of tongs that's going to hold this securely. I'll be back. And yes, my welding helmet is still bad. I'm just going to do the hand in front of it and hit it. Don't try this at home, folks. Alrighty guys, so I had those handles welded on like that. Put the first piece in there, maybe dozen heats, and it'll come off. So I just went ahead, put the fire out. So that's it for today. What did I get done? I adjusted my tongs. I got this one squeezed down this way and thinned out this way. It's plenty long enough. I need 6 inches for the blade, is what I said, which is from the edge of the face of my anvil to the hardy hole. It's 6 inches, and then I'm gonna go 4.5. Well, doesn't matter because I did look, and it's a through tank. So I'll measure out the 6 inches. I'll do the set down. There will be the handle, the pommel, the ricasso, and then the blade. I'm hoping the tip will come up just a little bit more when I start working the bevels in. It's warm. Trying to set my earbud down. So, yeah, it's still a little too warm. But now I can actually grab it with these tongs. So that's what I got done today. I got that done. And this one here, that's the one that I started working on. You can see right here in the middle, right here. I barely got a few hits in on it. It is already going down, which is nice, but the handle popped right off. So I need to get a new helmet before I can actually do those. or at least take it to work and use their helmet. So I gotta go there tomorrow and pick up my chick anyway. On my vacation. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna go in, get something to eat, edit this, get it ready for week 2. I got yesterday's edited up and ready to go. So, alright, that's it. Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. Peace, and I'm out. Alright everybody, so you saw my welding helmet died. The battery died in it, and without a battery the solar system won't work and it will not turn on. So I went out and got myself a new one. The RWX 2000, inexpensive model, is $65 out the door through a welding supply shop. So, but it's got sensitivity settings, low, medium, high. It's got return to dark, low, medium, slow to fast. So it's like fast is 0.1 second, medium is 0.5 seconds, and slow is 0.9 seconds. So I have that on slow, and sensitivity on medium. I'm going to give that a try. But anyway, that's it for this. I'm going to go ahead and end this video, get it posted up, or get it so I can edit it to get it posted up. And I'm going to start working on my next day's video. Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. Peace, and I'm out.